What's up guys, today we're back with another drawing video, and today we're going to draw a simple cartoon dog. Let's go. You're going to need a Sharpie for this lesson, or you can just use a pencil. So let's start with the eye. And we're going to draw an oval like this. And then like that. Same thing on the other side. But except we make it a little big. And then we draw the line for the nose like this. And then we draw the mouth like this. And then we draw a line coming up like this, and then another line here. And then we, oh shoot, sorry. Sorry if you missed that. But you're supposed to do this part and then you color that in. And then we draw the nose, it'll come like this. And then we draw the mouth continuing on like this. And then we draw the rest of the head like this. The eyebrows coming up like this. And then the other eyebrow coming up like this. And then let's draw an ear. And then after that, let's draw the ear coming like this, and then continuing like this. Okay, and then after that, let's draw the body covering like this. And then the leg will be like this. And now let's draw the neck. It will be skin like this. And then the leg would be like this. And then like this. And the other leg will be like this. And then another wrinkle here. Continuation of the line here. And then after that, the other leg would be like this, the curve like this, and then the other side. And then let's draw the belly looking here. And now let's draw the tail. You can draw however you want, but for me I'll just kind of draw it like this, and I can actually make it even longer. You're gonna shade that in black. Same thing for here. And let's draw 2 lines on each of E. And now let's draw the continuation of the hand for 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then the same thing for the other ear. Like this. And then after that, another line like this. And now let's draw the eyes. the pupil. So another line like this, and you shade that in black. Same thing here. You shade that in black. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, check out my channel called Sushi Fun Vlogs. And hey, there's some Lego videos too. Anyways, bye.